We now have a presentation from New India Assurance. For this, I request Mr. Dinakaran, DGM, New India Assurance, to kindly come on the stage. Thank you.
For giving us opportunity to stand in front of Maritime NTA fraternity. You may be wondering, as an insurance man, how I am standing in front of you. I just kickstart my talk from the previous speaker. He has just said that finance, there is no problem in our country. Knowledge is no problem in our country. Directions is no problem in our country. Knowledge, direction, fund is no problem in a country. There is somebody to protect it. For protection of that, the New India Assurance Company is there. That's why I am just standing in front of you. I give the comfort for you that, okay, we in New India, the largest insurance company in the Indian market, which is doing about 41,000 crores of premium in Indian market. We are the market leader in terms of marine cargo and marine oil business. We are there to protect you. That is the reason why we are the insurance partner we are talking about. When talking about the insurance partner, it is not just in terms of words, it's in terms of protection. Morning session, I was just when I was just listening to them, somebody was saying that we have done a lot of big projects of dedicated freight corridor. I can happily announce and say that New India is protected that risk in terms of giving coverage for the construction risk. L&T was the contractor. Some other contractors also are involved, and the bullet train project, that is another project, is a prestigious project, the Government of India, our Prime Minister's theme project. That is another project which New India Assurance Company given the protection in terms of concession policies. New India Assurance Company is always there to protect you. Whenever we also created a niche market in terms of the MSME separate cell in our corporate office recently. Very purpose of this niche cell of MSME is there to give the direction what Government of India says for the MSME sector. So we are also going to give the protection for them to identify and understand their needs, understand give the insurance protection. That's how the New India Assurance Company is always there for you to support. You may be wondering that why we are there as an insurance company in this entire August gathering. We are there to give you the assurance that will give protection whenever you need it. Today, just a theme of this entire program is Vikshit Bharat. What is the meaning of Vikshit Bharat? It basically said India should be developed country by 2047. When India to be developed by 2047, there is our regulator, our finance ministry, DFS, and also the Prime Minister's goal of insurance. Insurance should be for all by 2047. We both are in line with each other. There are three themes I just look at it. Number one is that goals and pathways in 2047. We as an insurance company, as a New India Assurance Company, we can give the protection for you. Whether you are doing the shipbuilding construction, we are given the construction coverage for the shipbuilders. We also give the port. Almost all the ports in Indian market is covered by New India Assurance Company. Then this digitalization, that is another area that's the area of concern, because we give the protection for all the cargoes which is moved from place to place. Then this marine certificate can be given off the shelf. That is in digitalization mode or E mode. Cyber security, another area of concern as far as the Indian market is concerned, the international market is there. There is a lot of the security crimes is happening across the globe. New India, we have product for cyber security. So this also can be used for as a marine fraternity. How the New India has a role in journey of the maritime fraternity is that we provide the coverage, whether it's a domestic as also ocean going vessels. We give the coverage in terms of vessels coverage. We also give the coverage in terms of the concernment which is there in the vessels. We also give the coverage for the brown water, also the blue water vessels. So this New India gives a coverage for that. Port package policy is a new coverage which we can build in for whenever the port is built in. The current budget, we can see that huge fund has been allocated for the maritime. When the huge fund, a lot of port is going to be built. When there's a lot of port is going to be built, we can give the coverage during the construction. And also after the construction is over, then this operation risk of the port also we can give protection for that. Shipbuilders risk, because already we have done, somebody has just touched about the Cochin shipbuilding. So we are also the insurer, we have provided the coverage for the Cochin shipbuilding. Offshore construction, there is a lot of offshore construction of the pipeline construction under the seabed is happening. It's for example, some of the ONGC offshore drilling, we give the protection for them. Because these are the certain six on which New India is engaged along with the maritime fraternity. New India is highest market capacity provided, because we can just look at it. New India, we hold about 19.4% of it, because Indian market, about 32 players are there in Indian market. When you have 32 players in Indian market, New India holds about 19.4% of capacity, means we are the market leader in terms of marine cargo line of business. If you look at the oil and energy sector, standalone basis, apart from the marine cargo sector, we hold about 39% of the oil portfolio in Indian market is done by New India Assurance Company. We have presence about 24 countries. It's not that New India Assurance Company is only Indian company. It's the only Indian multinational company which has presence in 24 countries. We talk about Japan, we talk about Middle East, we talk about this London. We have desk in London also, Lloyd's also. We have a desk. That this is the experience which brings New India apart from the other insurance company. We are in Indian market as of presently, we are the only insurance which provides a P&I cover for the coastal rig. This is a limited way. We have just started it. Government of India and the Department of Shipping wants that it should be in a big scale. We are just working on along with our GAC parent reinsurers. We do underwriting. We are dealing with a lot of marine cargo in terms of the marine DUC also. Marine DUC coverage is the cargo for project cargo is there. We also give the construction policy. Apart from construction policy, when the project is going to be shipped from X country to India, during the transit and damage happens because the project get delayed, that marine DUC cover we can provide it. Guarantee outturn cover we can give that. One of the another important aspect is this newly which we are doing is that rejection risk. We are recently organized some seminar in Gujarat region where we are talking about the frozen foods are there. Frozen food because some reason or other went to the ship, exported, then it has been rejected for some of the periods being operated, then it comes back. That coverage can be protected by New India Assurance Company. We have special tie with the international players. That is one of the special coverage we have built in. Bulk cargo coverage can be built in. We also give the offshore coverage. New India is highest market place in terms of capacity provider. If you just look at it, marine cargo per bottom we can do a coverage up to 200 crores in INR. Up to 200 crores per bottom can be done by New India Assurance Company without any RA support, without the international support we can do that. Second aspect is that our shipbuilders up to 150 crores we can do it on our own without, because these are all, we have backed up with RA treaty support. If there is anything which is beyond this capacity only, we can able to do it. When you're talking about this, shipbuilders capacity or not is basically on PML basis. We in the insurance market we call it PML, probable maximum loss. Hull and machinery we have the maximum capacity provider in Indian market, which is 150 crores in Indian rupees. But one thing is very sure about New India is that even if you want additional capacity, also we have a desk in London. Also we have operation in different places. Then we can build in that capacity. We can get from international market where we have the reinsurance support. As a New India, we have this product is, as far as marine cargo is concerned, we have annual turnover policy, which is a combination of all the manufacturers can do it. Then we also have a open policy, open cover. Specific voyage, also the coverage we are having it. Marine erection policy is a wind-built cover along with the marine cargo and also construction risk. This can be built in. One of the specialty I can just tell you that after this Russian-Ukraine war, whatever this crude which is coming from, our crude or fertilizer which is coming from the Russian market, there is nobody is willing to give the insurance coverage internationally. All the European markets said that we cannot give coverage for any crude or fertilizer which is there. Then government of India took an initiative that Indian market should create a separate pool. Like we have a pool for the terrorism, we have a pool for the nuclear risk. Then New India Assurance Company taken lead along with the GAC. When the pool is created, then New India is given a maximum capacity apart from the GAC, which is a reinsurer with the 40 crores capacity. The pool right now operating at the 438 crores is a limit of the capacity which the pool can operate as of now. So this is a huge initiative New India has taken when the entire world is that they don't want to cover that all these exporters or importers from the Russian, Ukraine and Belarus, they have suffered that there is no insurance protection for them. New India has supported them. New India support the market. Whenever the crisis happens, New India is there to support. Then we also have the certain product with respect to the marine hull policy is concerned. We have a port package policy. Then it's basically it's hull machinery policy, which everybody knows is that. Then we also ship repairers possibility policy also there. We have the builders risk also. These are certain products which are available as far as the marine cargo is concerned. Budget, everybody talked about budget. Budget, there is a huge input has been given for Maritime. So then we are there to support. We are basically, I am just highlighting, even though everyone knows that there is a project of Sagarmala project, and also the budget corpus of 25,000. Whenever this needs for the insurance coverage, New India Assurance Company to do that. Whether it's a small industries or big industries, whether it's a ocean going vessel or it's a Indian vessels, or there is a cargo which has been moved from one place to other, then whatever you need a coverage, wherever the coverage has to be needed in terms of your requirement, that can be built in. About something about New India Assurance Company, we are the number one players in Indian market. We are global players. I said that we have experience of 105 years of this organization experience. We are the company which started in 1990. We are, as I said already, that we are present in 25 countries, and we have issued a policy of 19 million policies have been issued in the Indian market. We have done this, the entire Indian market, there's a premium of 2,89,000 crores for Indian market premium for the last year of March 2024. Then New India holds about 12.8% of share, which is the biggest players, with the 36,000 Indian premiums. If you look at the international premium and Indian premium together, we have done the premium of 41,000 crores. Various lines of business, when we talk about fire, we have done our 4,393 crores, and there is a marine, we have 984. 900 entire market, marine cargo and all premium is about 5,000 crores. New India Assurance Company done a premium of 984 crores. These are certain mix of our premiums of 41,000 crores. When you're talking about 41,000 crores, it's basically the global of Indian and international premiums. Marine, I said that 545 crores we have done, which is a different segment. So the offshore energy segment and the port package is hull and machinery and others. These are the certain bifurcation of the whatever segments of marine. Marine cargo we have done about 439. Totally I talk about 954 we have done it. We are the leaders in the market segment. The market segment is that we try to provide a solution whatever the customer needs. That is why the New India differs from that, because that's how we created certain pools. So even the New India is a place, major place in the nuclear pool we have created. We have played major place in creating the terrorism pool. We also major place in creating the Russian-Ukraine war. When after the war is taken, that's a decline, marine cargo decline risk. These are some of the major clients of New India Assurance Company. Then we talk about this public sector, private sector, everybody is there with the New India. We are talking about the big names. We also deal with a lot of small time players also. When we are talking about a lot of small time is there, we also cater to any risk, whether it's a 1 rupee premium to the 1 crore premium also. It's nothing that anything specific to the New India Assurance Company. We have presence across India. We have presence any nook and corner of India. We have presence. We have micro offices. We have branch offices. We have divisional offices. We are regional officer, because anywhere you just see that we always say in New India never sleeps. Somebody can ask me that whether people will not sleep. Because New India has office in 24 countries. That's any part of the world, New India office is always open. That's why we say that New India never sleeps. New India has a dedicated team. When you're talking about dedicated team, that we are there to service for all the clients, all your needs. Thank you so much for the opportunity given to New India Assurance Company, opportunity given to me. We are there to support you, whether the government of India and taken a lot of initiative for the development of our country, that New India should be developed country in 2047. When it's going to be developed country 2047, all the infrastructure has to be given. When all the infrastructure to be developed in the Indian market, that should be protected. That protection will come from the insurance. We are there to support you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Mr. Anil Radhakrishnan and Mr. Sandeep Khosla to kindly come on stage to give the memento. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.